Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Rizali Orpilia. I'm 45 years old. I'm from Philippines. I'm a single mother with two boys, and I'm also a high school graduate. I have a working experience as a domestic helper in Amman, Jordan for 6 years, from 2019 to 2025. I work at 9 members of the family, one couples and one elderly. Her age is 78 years old and they have a 6 children. My duties was take care for the children and take care for grandma by giving her foods and medicine. I I have also duties from cleaning the home, wash and ironing the clothes. Mom, sir, if you hired me, I will take care to your children as my family. I will do my duties and responsibilities in your home. Thank you, Madam and Sir.